Hey folks, how's everybody doing? Something a little different, or well, maybe not for us. We do a lot of, I guess you'd say, sporadic saw purchases. Craftsman 1450. There's three versions of this saw, like a 1650, 1850. They are all three the same damn saw. I think there's like $40 in price difference between the 14 and the 18. The bar is the only difference, so you're paying all that extra money just for a couple extra inches on the bar.
That's what she said.
It is what it is, yeah, that's what she said. Hey, we gotta keep this PG. No, we don't. We're over 18. So we can say whatever the hell we want to say. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to unbox this thing. And this was bought for the wife. And, you know, if you ain't familiar with the channel, this is a chainsaw channel. I have a lot of chainsaws. Go through some of my other videos. You're welcome to. You're welcome to subscribe. This is your kind of deal. I have a lot of saws. I think my mother-in-law counted like 70 something just right here in this shop the last time she was here. So, you know, it is what it is. This one's just kind of show you what you get. We're going to do a start up on it, and we're going to go put it on a piece of wood and see how it cuts. And if you decide to hang around the channel, you'll get to see this thing modified. Is what we do here. Stock saws suck. Some suck worse than others. Some may agree with that, others may not. But that's just my opinion. Stock saws suck. We've got an owner's manual and what looks like a scrunch. We like scrunches. Good looking scrunch. I think we have some 2-cycle oil here in this owner's manual. We have some 2-cycle oil. We probably will not be using that. I've already got already mixed up. So we'll put that up and may or may not use it. Probably won't. Probably just put it in a squirt bottle and use it for lubrication. And again, that's what she said. And there it is in all its glory. Make sure we got you guys good and in frame. No. My camera skills are some pretty nice little saw. See what kind of chain we've got. Got a cute looking little bar on that. Again, the bar is the only difference between the three saws. Semi-chisel, anti-kickback, safety chain kind of deal. I'm sure it'll fit just fine. Yeah, guys, it's not a bad looking little saw if you've not looked at them and what these are. There's a company, Japanese company called Zanoa. I don't know if this is a clone of it, or if maybe Craftsman had had them do some saws for them. I have no idea, but they are identical to the Zanoa saws. But what we're going to do next is I'm going to pause you guys briefly. We're going to fuel this up and maybe go see if I can find a piece of wood to cut. And those of you that are familiar with the channel, that's kind of an inside joke because I have more wood here than I know what to do with after a tornado incident. But we'll bring you guys back shortly. Oh, and my wife pointed out one thing. It was honestly between one of these or the 205 saw, the 46cc, which I may go back and purchase at a later date. Just because of how inexpensive these are, but got a nice rubber grip on the handle. And again, back to the clone saw deal, I've had some of the no-name clone saws here, like your 5200, 5800, and honestly, compared to this, they felt like cheap pieces of shit. This thing actually feels really nice, feels like it's built really well. I'm not 100% sure if that's an easy start or not. I don't know. when we pull it down to modify it, I guess we'll find out. But anyway, back to filling this thing up. Alright folks, we have confirmed it is easy start. If I would have just, looked at the box, whatever. 32-1 mix, and it's what I run in everything. I run marine, outboard, power watercraft, oil, whatever you want to call it, full synthetic. There'll be some gurus out there say don't do that. Air-cooled engines have to have a higher flash point than a water-cooled. Just watch my saws run, guys. I've tore them down on camera and shown. Really, it really don't matter just as long as you're running a good oil mix and a decent oil. But
you can't buy this in California.
Can't buy this in California. Who would? Yeah, I'm gonna keep my opinions to myself on the great state of California.
Sorry, California.
We don't want to make anyone mad. We'll just keep our opinions to ourselves about that place.
You won't find it
I have no
anywhere.
intentions of ever going to California.
They don't want
Please
you
tell
either.
me it's just where I spilled gas and their primer bulb ain't pouring. I spilled fuel everywhere. Small fuel tank, small oil tank. Anyway, I like that switch. It's a momentary kill switch. Pretty daggone nice. Choke. Maybe I should have located that earlier. There it is, your choke. We're going to prime it or purge it. I'm sure it's just a purge bulb to purge fuel through the diaphragm. We're going to choke it. How many pulls? I'm going to say about 6, being it's a dry start. 3. And this thing is super easy to crank over. Let's see how she restarts. Not very well.
It's got to be well.
Well, guys, she seems pretty sporty. All I've got's hard wood here. I could probably dig around and find a piece of poplar out of the wood pile, but which it would be seasoned too by now, probably hard as flint. But I think I've got some small rounds of either the hickory tree or the big red oak that fell on the house. And if you're new, you can go back through some of my recent videos and see all of that garbage. But I'll bring you guys back when we find something to cut, and we'll try this thing out. Alright guys, nothing big. It's just one of the first things I grab, but it is a hard wood. We don't want to burn it up the first cut we make. Let's fire it up, see how she does. Not bad, and guys, that wood is hard as flint. Once we modify the saw, it'll run a lot better, but what I'm going to do now, being it's a wash saw, I'm going to hand it to her and let her fire it and make a couple cuts, and then we'll wrap this up.
hot.
You like that better than the Wild Thing?
Yeah.
Wild Thing will vibrate you to death. Anyway, guys, I guess we could set it down here out in the daylight. Give you guys a little better look at it if it'll sit right there. Red, hot red. That's actually the color of our car. Not a bad looking little saw, honestly. That muffler, I think, has it choked to death. Oh, they're not a Stratos saw.
The grip is the best part.
The grip, yeah.
And it don't vibrate your arm.
Don't vibrate you to death.
No. Not
Yeah.
like those Wild Things.
The Wild Thing's horrible to try to work with. Anyway, guys, if this is your kind of deal, if you want to see this modified, it'll be a little bit, a few weeks, and I get some other stuff caught up, but we'll get her modified. Like, comment, subscribe, and always, y'all have a great day.